Good boy.
I don't know what it does.
He just grinds him.
Here we have the pet nail grinder, which can be used on cats and dogs, but I think this one's made for mostly dogs. It has a powerful motor, has a low noise so your pet won't be startled, and it has a bright LED light which you can see where you're cutting, and an extra diamond grinding wheel. It has 2 of them on the machine and 1 on extra. So let's open it up. Inside you come with instructions and what you can use it on, like how to clean it and other stuff. On the actual pet nail grinder, it actually has a top. You just need to remove it, so then there's the grinder. You can change the top depending on your dog. If it's a small dog, medium dog, or even a large dog, you can adjust the size of the nail grinder depending on what type of dog you have. It is a C-type charger, so it can be used to charge it. It has an extra grinder, as I said before, and to turn it on, you just have to hold the button for a couple seconds. And it just starts grinding already. And to use the lights, there's a little. You just press the button once, and you can see how bright that light is. And also, when you click on the button, the middle button multiple times, it changes the speed of the grinder. There's 3 speeds. There's the slowest speed, medium speed, and then the fastest speed. And to turn it off, you just have to hold the button again. And it's very low noise, so your pets won't be startled when you're trying to grind their feet.
Good. Next one. This one. Need your puppy. This is done. Very good. Good job. All right. Good job.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.